welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Recon, and today I'm going to show you how I do my daily makeup. But before that, if you like my videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. I use this Jonsons baby moisturizer which suits my skin a lot. This goes best for sensitive skin. You can use this moisturizer in all the seasons. It goes really well. This is the foundation, MAC Studio foundation. You can choose the foundation according to your skin tone. This goes really good with my skin. I'm using this blender to blend it well. Next up is concealer. This is Colorscence Concealer. I'm using this for under eye dark circles. Tapping the concealer with the blender so that it fixes nice in the skin. Next up is eyeshadows. I'm using this Nude shiny eyeshadow color. Next up is eyeliner, black eyeliner. Just apply a thin eyeliner. As you all know, we apply it on eyelashes. I also use this mascara for my eyebrows to darken it. It actually works really good. You should also try it out once. Next up is a nude color lipstick. You can use any nude color lipstick. And here we go. Please suggest in the comment box what do you think about this look. Ta-da! Bye. Bye-bye until the next video.